Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, the background in today's video is a little bit different than normal. So Henny and I are in LA for my first ever PR event with a brand. I got invited to a Bali Body event, so we're gonna be doing a little vlog style video for my channel just on that and just our trip in LA in general. So we're in Los Angeles. If you guys don't know, I'm from Chicago, so we flew over here to be here for this event. It's my first one ever, like I said, so I am just very excited. So I was about to do my makeup and then I was like, you know what? I'm gonna film a video to show you guys like what my makeup look is for this event, and then I'll show you guys my outfit at the end of the video too. So it's gonna be a little bit different than normal, but I'm very excited and I hope you guys are too. Henny's probably gonna be coming in and out of the background as well because we're just in our hotel room right now. He's coming with me to the event, so I'll show you, I guess, what both of our outfits look like. Also, I didn't bring my tripod, so if this like camera doesn't look completely straight, I'm balancing it on top of like 2 jars and a little plate. So I'm working with what I have. But yeah, before we start on the makeup, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up for me, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much if you do. But if you want to see my makeup look for my first ever PR event, then stay tuned for the rest of the video. Alright guys, I'm just gonna jump right in to doing the makeup because I don't want to be late. It's already 11:30 and I have to be there at 1 o'clock. So I'm gonna do this and I'm gonna kind of like speed through as usual like what makeup products I'm using, and then we could just get started. So I'm gonna work on my eyes first. I already primed my face. So I used the Milk Hydro Grip primer for my entire face. And then I used my favorite Rare Beauty eye primer for priming my eyes. And now I'm going to do eyeshadow. So I'm primarily going to use the Patrick Ta Major Dimension 3. It's the Master Mattes, or not Master Mattes, it's the matte palette. So I will just try to like show you guys what colors I'm using and we can just get started. So I've got a bunch of eye brushes here because I didn't know what I was gonna be grabbing for this trip. It's like a really quick trip. Like we got in late last night and then we're leaving to go home tomorrow to go back to our babies. So it's gonna be a quick one. We're gonna try to make the most out of today and go like sightseeing and whatever we can after the event. So yeah, anyways, sorry I'm jumping all over the place. So I'm gonna take a bigger, fluffier brush first. Or actually I'm gonna take a different fluffy brush and just take this really light shade right here, and I'm gonna set my eyes because I haven't done that yet after priming. So just really quickly set. And now I'm taking this fluffy brush, going into this second shade right here, and I'm just gonna start to blend that into my crease to darken it up a little bit. Also, by the way, I'm bringing this down into my eyelid too because I'm gonna make this a little bit more dark and smoky because my dress is like super light, it's white. So I wanted like my makeup to be a little bit more dark and dramatic because I feel like the darker colors kind of bring out the green in my eyes when I do that. So yeah, I'm just bringing all of the colors that I used today in my crease also down to my eyelid. And he's washing his hands in the back there, so you'll probably see him walk by. But now I'm gonna take this third shade right here. As you can see, I'm using all the warm toned shades because I love warm tones, as you guys know that. So yeah, I'm just gonna go a little bit lower than I did with that lighter shade into my crease again and down to my eyelid. And it's okay to be messy with this, you guys, because I'm gonna clean it up when I do my face makeup. So it's okay if the lines are not all like clear cut. We're gonna fix it all. This is a very much trust the process kind of look. So yeah, I grabbed a bigger, fluffier brush because I accidentally grabbed that smaller one. So now I'm gonna mix these 2 shades at the bottom here, like the darkest ones. Just dab into both. And again, I'm gonna do the same thing, just keep it a little bit lower than I did these other colors and bring it all the way down to my eyelid. And then I'm taking that first brush again that I used, and I'm going into this lightest shade, and I'm just gonna blend out the top to soften that line a little bit. And if I'm looking in a million different directions, it's because I'm using this mirror sometimes, and then I have my makeup mirror that I brought right here, so I'm looking at both. So now I'm gonna take my Natasha Denona I Need a Nude palette, and I'm gonna go in with the shade Delilah, this like really pretty glossy dark color. And I'm just taking my finger and I'm gonna put that on my eyelids. And now I'm taking this super thin angled brush and I'm gonna go into my Makeup by Mario Master Mattes palette, and I'm taking this black shadow and I'm just gonna line my eyes with that. Okay, now I'm just gonna take my makeup wipe and clean up like the bottom and the edges a little bit. So now we're gonna take a break from my eyes, and like I said, I already primed my face. So we're gonna work on my face now. I'm gonna mix two foundations. So I'm mixing the Makeup Forever HD Skin Hydra Glow foundation and the Chanel Ultra Lay Tint Ultra Wear All Day Comfort foundation. Love both of these. This one gives me a glow and this one's a little bit more matte, and I love the look I get when I mix the two. So I'm just gonna do like an equal amount of both and then mix them on the back of my hand. Next, we're bronzing and blushing up my face. So the cream bronzer that I'm going to be using is the new Too Faced, what is this? Melting Bronzing and Sculpting Stick. I'm obsessed with this thing. It's like all I've been using. So I'm just going to draw a big line like that on my cheek. And again, it's okay if this isn't like 100% perfect because we're gonna fix it up with concealer afterwards. Now I'm gonna use two blushes because I really like both and couldn't decide which one. So I'm using the NARS Afterglow Liquid Blush in Orgasm and the DIOR Forever Glow Maximizer in Peachy. So I'm gonna use NARS first because it's a little bit brighter, and I'm just doing that on my cheeks. And then I'm just going on top of that with the DIOR. So now we're gonna do concealer. I'm using my DIOR Forever Skin Correct concealer. And now just blend. I'm using my BK Beauty concealer brush. Now I'm gonna set all the cream products and go into powders. I'm taking my Givenchy PRISME Libre loose setting powder, and I'm gonna focus this just on my under eyes and the sides of my nose. And I'm taking a little puffer, and I'm just gonna use that to like dab it in. And now I'm taking my Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder, and I'm gonna set the rest of my face with this one, and I'm just taking a big fluffy brush to do that. now I'm taking my DIOR Forever bronzer and I'm just going to bronze up my whole face. I'm gonna be honest, guys, I'm super nervous about this event. I think it's gonna be a lot of fun, but I've never been to one of these before, so I don't know what to expect or what it's gonna be like. And I love Bali Body, the self-tanning brand, so much, and I'm already so grateful to be collaborating with them for the last few months, especially on videos. So I'm really happy and thankful and excited to be invited to this. I'm just nervous, so wish me luck in the comments. I know this is gonna be posted after the event has already happened, but still, a little encouragement never hurts. Don't forget to contour your nose. I'm just taking my Patrick Ta brush and I'm gonna contour my nose to make it look extra snatched and buttony. I'm gonna bronze a little bit more with my NARS. This one's limited edition, so I don't know if it's still available. I'll try to link it in the description box if it is, but if not, I'm sorry. It's the Summer Solstice Cheek Duo. I'm just taking that like bronze color and just bronzing up my cheeks a little bit more because again, I want this to be like a really like dreamy, bronzy kind of makeup look today, so can never have too much bronzer. I hope you guys are enjoying the little change of scenery from my regular, just like plain white background. I feel like it's so nice to like switch it up and film in a different place. Like I'm like really excited actually to be filming this video. I wasn't going to, and then I sat down and I was like, wait a minute, why don't I do it with you guys? So I'm having a lot of fun getting ready right now. And then I'm gonna take a little more bronzer, but this is also blush and highlighter. It's the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Multi-Glow All Over Glow Highlighter. I don't know if this one is available either, I'm so sorry, but I'm obsessed with this stuff. So I'm just swirling my brush around this whole thing and I'm gonna like lightly go over my cheeks. And now I'm doing blush. So I am going to use my Gucci blush today, my favorite one. This is the Gucci Blush Debut in Bright Coral. I love this stuff so much. So I'm gonna apply that to the apples of my cheeks. And now I'm gonna do highlighter. I'm using the new Fenty Beauty DEMI'GLOW Light Diffusing Highlighter in Prosecco, my newest obsession. And I'm taking the other end of that nose contour brush and I'm doing that just on all the high points of my face. And now I'm gonna set all of that so I make sure it doesn't move. And I'm using my Charlotte Tilbury setting spray as usual. All right, now I'm going back to my eyes. I'm gonna take a couple of those shades from the Patrick Ta Major Dimension 3 palette. I'm gonna mix these two in the middle, the warm ones, and I'm gonna do my under eyes with that. Now we're gonna smoke my eyes out even more. I'm taking this Makeup by Mario eyeliner pencil in black and I'm just gonna line both my top and my bottom water lines with this. And then I'm just taking the other end of that and I'm gonna smoke out the black on the bottom a little bit. Amazing. Okay. Now I'm gonna do my eyebrows, my mascara, and my lips off camera because those are a little more time consuming. So I'm gonna do that really quick and then I will be right back. Okay guys, I am back. Here is the finished look. I fixed my hair. So for my eyebrows, I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Duo. All of these are gonna be linked in the description box, by the way. I used this Shiseido, I think it's Shiseido, eyelash curler to curl my lashes. I used my Benefit Roller Lash Mascara and my Fenty Hella Thick Mascara. And then I used the Makeup Forever Wherever Walnut Lip Liner and the Summer Fridays Cherry Lip Butter Balm for my lips. And that is the look that I got. So I feel like it turned out really good. And then here is my outfit. So my dress is from Sabo Skirt. I actually did a little clothing haul with all my outfits that I got from Sabo Skirt. It's like open in the back. I love how this looks because it's supposed to be summer vibes for the dress code. And then Penny, if Penny wants to come in for a second, we're kind of matching. So he looks super handsome too. His little button up is from Abercrombie, and then these are Express. Say hi.
Hello.
So we're ready to go. That is it for my video though. I hope you guys enjoyed my little get ready with me. Thank you so much for watching. Comment and let me know how you think the look turned out. Again, wish me luck at my first ever PR event. I'm so excited. And yeah, like this video for me, subscribe to my channel, stay tuned, and I will see you guys in the next video.